Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best microphone mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Present your design with this mockup of a microphone before printing. The file includes separate layers for the color objects and background. A smart layer for the label helps to apply your design. Premium quality and simple to use. This mockup is an exclusive design of Idaway Mockups for the graphic driver community. 7700 x 5000 pixel, 72 dpi smart objects for product design. Color objects and backgrounds can be changed. Photorealistic look. Fully organized layers and folders. PDF help with the explanation video.